all of you. Before starting your action evaluation, let me tell you the importance of why you are connected subject today. We all know that data science is a powerful tool that can help to answer difficult situations which can arise in the society, and it provides impartial data to the joint conclusions. Especially to manage COVID-19, this data science will be very helpful since the first case was found in December 2019. So, by considering all these measures in the mind, our department is taking the initiative of conducting scientific to all the participants to provide research knowledge. With this brief introduction, now I would like to request our coordinator, Dr. Venkatesh Kavita, to address the
officials of Another Academy from the AICTE, our honorable principal, Dr. G.V.S. Navid and respected vice principal administration, Dr. P. Kodakara, and respected vice principal academics, Dr. Tasri, and my senior faculty members and other board members who have joined this activity, and all my dear faculty colleagues. And most importantly, all the participants of this activity from various states of our country. And last but not least, all the members who have involved in making this event to come to this situation. Very good morning to one another. As you all know that data science is a buzzword in every day in our life. As you all know that data science is playing a vital role in finding many inner things out of our data. And the entire world is running around the data and its processing, storing and releasing. We are finding knowledge from those. So I know that many of you are doing your research work in data science, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning. So most importantly, this is the FDP was sanctioned by AICTE through Atal Academy to promote the teachers to teach the students in an effective manner with respect to 9 emerging areas, namely data science, data science, cyber security, virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D printing. So likewise, there are 9 trust areas identified by the AICTE, and the activities have been planned. So I know that there are thousands of activities planned by the Atal Academy in these trust areas. And the data science happens to be one among those 9 trust areas. I am very happy to receive this FDP for our college, that to the Department of IT, and I am very happy to conduct this 5-day national level online FDP in data sciences. And the 5-day sessions are planned in a proper way. So the sequence of the topics are meticulously planned in such a way that the faculty will get good idea about all the concepts that are present in the data science. And the resource persons have been derived from reputed institutions like IITs, NITs, and the industry. I hope the contents that are being delivered throughout these 5 days will help you a lot in making you knowledgeable and skillful with respect to data sciences. And after going through all the sessions, you please transfer this knowledge to your students, and you please make use of this knowledge to conduct the topic works or your research works. I hope definitely this FDP will make you knowledgeable. The faculty who have gone through all the 5-day sessions will be different from the faculty who is sitting here at present. So, with this belief, I hope this FDP will be very successful one. And I request all the faculty members to please Be attentive in all the sessions. Since most of the sessions will be very
మ్యూట్ చేస్తారు మేడం.
Respected principal, GBS and yes, personal administration, coordinator of structure, the seats regular, faculty members, the persons from the other colleges, they employed to another. At the outset, I congratulate the departments of information technology for conducting this Friday National Cabinet of the Program of Data Science. We have used time to JCT people, especially the adult teaching and learning academy, planning this Friday National Program. I think this data science is going to be a interdisciplinary subject, and this is going to be useful for not only for CSC and IT, it's going to be useful for all the people nowadays, even for mechanical and civil. They are also using this data science. So this is going to be a very useful and interdisciplinary subject. I request all the faculty please be actively involved in this workshop and make this program a grand success. And also congratulate our resource person, P. Sunil Kumar, to be the introductory lectures for this data science. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm wishes towards the successful completion of this program. Now, I would like to request Dr. P. Kodandramara, Vice Principal Administration, to address the gathering.
Respected the people who involved in the Atal program academy to sponsoring this 5-day national FDP program to Godavari Engineering College. Respected principal Dr. G.V.S. Prasad Garu, respected Vice Principal Academics Dr. M.R.C. Shastri Garu, other HOD, the coordinator of this data science FDP program, Dr. C.H. Kavita, other HODs, faculty members, the participants from the other colleges, print and media, very good morning to all of you. So first of all, I congratulate the Department of Information Technology for organizing this 5-day FDP program on data science. So, as you know that the data science, actually I don't know much more about this data science, but the data science also includes the data analysis. Just day by day, importance of the data analysis is increasing. So mainly, I think in this program, the main concept behind it is to collect the various information and to segregate it and to take the crucial decision. Then only the output productivity will be very effective. That is the main focus on this. And already on behalf of this Godavari Engineering College as Vice Principal Administration, I congratulate and I thank to the faculty members. It is a very good opportunity, and this type of opportunities will come very rarely. And you spare your valuable time and you plan yourself and what is the important work, and you can attend, you should attend these program all these 5 days. Once again, I congratulate and wish the Department of Information Technology for the smooth conduction of this 5-day faculty development program on data science. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, last but not the least, I welcome our principal, Dr. J.P. Prasad, to speak few words.
Coordinator of this FDP, Dr. C.H. Kavita, another Department of IT, Vice Principal Academics, Dr. Ramaswamy Sasrigar, and Vice Principal Administration, Dr. P. Kaurvanavagar, and the other heads of the department, mentors, the faculty members of Purdue Engineering College, and the participants from outside of Purdue Intelligence in India. Good morning to all. There is a word said, it's not definitely easy to know about our body. I think everybody will agree with that. For now, it is not definitely easy to identify the data and the knowledge within the data. From many of the years, the mathematicians are working on the data and the research, and they are getting doctorates and all these things because of their mathematical stuff usage in data. But the words may be changing from time to time and period to period, like data analytics and the data science. But this is well known to all of us. Maybe in any of the field, either technical or non-technical, most of the people there having much of the data in different varieties, but we are not trying to have or retrieve the knowledge from the data. But now, within from the last 2 or 3 decades, now we are thinking about what knowledge we can retrieve from the data, the different sources, different techniques in technology. We are very much happy to see here our alumni, Dr. V. Sunil Kumar, is also working in the data science, and most of the awards because of his work in data science, and also the other resource persons from the different premier institutes and universities. Those are all working together to acquire the knowledge from the data. Because of the importance of the data acquisition and data knowledge, the AICTE has recognized that it is the right time to have a separate branch of the on data science. With that intention, the latest quality policy, education policy, they have identified some emerging areas on IoT, data science, machine learning, cyber security, and giving importance to these emerging areas, they have sanctioned new branches for various colleges. Earlier, it's only a simple subject like maybe artificial intelligence or machine learning, a simple subject. But within this subject, the limited syllabi will be given, and the student and the faculty has the broad overview of what is artificial intelligence. But going deeper and deeper, we need to know much about what are applications and how to retrieve the knowledge by using different mathematical techniques or other technologies. So that's the reason why the mathematical people will play a vital role in acquiring or digging the knowledge from these huge data. So this type of faculty development programs sponsored by AICTE like ATAL programs will help you a lot in acquiring the knowledge in latest emerging areas, automatically help the student community. The main outcome of this FDP programs not only gaining the knowledge, but it should lead to the publications or the patents. Definitely, this workshop that was planned and scheduled with all the resource persons will help you a lot in acquiring the knowledge and disseminating the same to the student community. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing all the emerging research areas to all the faculty. Now, I would like to request Ms. Helen Pranita to introduce our today's chief guest, Dr. V. Sunil Kumar, Director of Ericsson Data Science, Bangalore. Please welcome.
Very good morning to everyone. Myself, Lakshmi Pranita, Assistant Professor in Information Technology, Butterwell Engineering College. It's my pleasure to introduce today's guest, Dr. Sunil Kumar Suppala, the Director of Data Science, Ericsson, Global AI Accelerator Bangalore. He is having more than 16 years of industrial and research experience in machine learning, deep learning, analytics, IoT, and automation. Before joining Ericsson, he worked in MNCs like Oracle, Infosys R&D, and Philips Research. He is a lead inventor of 25 patents, published around 30 plus papers in both international journals and conferences. He delivered more than 100 guest lectures in various reputed institutions and a senior member of ACM, IEEE, and a fellow of IEEE. Coming to his achievements, Dr. Sunil Kumar is one of the top 10 data scientists in India for 2019, a recipient of Geotechnical Role Model in Emerging Technology Award 2020, IEEE Friends Engineering Manager of the Year 2020, and ASEAN Distinguished Speaker. Coming to his roles, he is a co-chair of industry engagement in the IEEE Bangalore section, a recognized thought leader, and a speaker in top AI forums. Last but not the least, he is an alumnus of IIT Roorkee, IIT Bangalore, IIT Ahmedabad, and a proud moment for us is he is an alumnus of our institution. Once again, a hearty welcome to you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for nicely introducing our today's chief guest and guest of honor. Now I request Dr. V. Sunil Kumar to speak viewers and address the gathering.
Okay, great. Respected dignitaries on the dais, hope you can hear me, right? And you can see me as well. Okay. Can anyone confirm? Okay, great. Thank you. Thanks for the kind introduction. It's my privilege to join our own college on this FTB session on data sciences. So I have seen the schedule prepared by Dr. Kavita and IT department. So it starts with the introduction of data science where I'm going to start with, and then it goes deep dive into machine learning, deep learning, and big data technologies. And towards the end, I'm going to come back again to talk on the applications of the data science. So the structure-wise, it is starting with very basics, going into deep into that, and then going into the applications as well. So what my sincere request when I'm presenting industry is the data science is a vast field, especially one of the aspects which I'm trying to highlight here is even though data science is coming as a new discipline, as principals are already mentioned, so there is a lot of connectivity to mathematics or computer science and all. So I'm trying to cover those aspects as well, so that it's not just only a new buzzword, but it has a strong foundations. So we will cover those basics. At the same time, I'll try to leave you with a couple of research problems where at the end, being the faculty, you should disseminate the knowledge back to the budding engineers. At the same time, I request you to have the industry relevant or maybe the applied research problems where it can benefit and all of you at the same time solve real world problems. So with that, I don't want to take too much of time. So I welcome you to this session and thanks for the opportunity.
I'd like to say thank you, Dr. V. Sunil, for nicely addressing our participants. Now we come to the end of the program. Now I'd like to thank all the dignitaries from the desk. First, I would like to thank Dr. C.H. Kavita for arranging this type of programs to our faculty to gain knowledge and latest emerging areas. Next, I would like to thank Dr. Emma Srikastastri, our Vice Principal Academics, for encouraging us in all the time. Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to thank Dr. P. Kodandarakarao, Vice Principal Administration, for supporting us to attend this type of programs for our faculty. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. G.V. Isinath Prasad, always at the back end for us to conducting this type of programs. I would like to close this inaugural function and before handing this program to guest of honor, I hope everybody have a good day and we have this session this Saturday. Everybody please utilize this to gain knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. I request all the participants in online and hand over this session to me.
Sunil, good morning. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet you once again. I will call you back.
Sunil sir, will you please handle the session? Sir, is my voice
Yeah. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen and listen to my audio as well? Yes.
Sunil sir, is my voice audible?
I can hear you. So just one of you confirm if you can hear my audio as well. Okay. So thanks, Dr. Ankita, for confirming. Sure. So one cross check I want to make. So till what time I have this session? Is it till 11? This introductory session, right? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Fine. Let's proceed without further ado. So maybe save time with the introduction and all that. So what we will do here in the introduction to the data science and whatever I am sharing here, can other people can mute, please? Yeah, okay. Can I proceed with the session?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, great. So at any time, if you have any interruption with the audio or video, it's okay. Even if you are not able to see me. Yeah, your voice is audible. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes. I can hear you.
Sunil sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, audible, ma'am.
Sunil sir, is my voice audible?
Yes. And other people also confirmed that even my voice is audible to them. So is there any problem from your side?
No
I can
problem.
hear
Both of your voice are audible, sir. No problem.
you. Okay, shall we proceed?
Continue the session, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great.